This is Floriana.
What were you expecting?
You must be Dr. Ritter. Your story inspired us to leave everything behind and start anew.
Life here is gruesome. Frustrating.
Failure is inevitable.
This is where we'll build.
No. Its sting can kill you. Everything on this island can kill you.
I am the embodiment of perfection. Baroness Eloise Verbon de Wagner Bousquet.
We came here for isolation, and now we're being crowded.
Our first vegetables.
It's incredible what they've achieved.
In pain, we find truth. And in truth, salvation.
I do not appreciate you trying to pit my neighbor against me.
He's trying to get us off this island.
We have no food, no hotel, and no home.
You need to leave me. And go where? This is not who we are. What is happening to you?
We hunt, we fight, we kill.
You dirty man, you.
I will not let you destroy us.
Do not fool me.
We are family.
Time to choose sides.
Bye-bye.
I want you off my island.
This is not your island. It is my island.